This is Optimized Tube. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So, I imagine by now most of you are familiar with 11 Labs. If not, 11 Labs is speech synthesis technology. For example, the voice you're hearing right now is from 11 Labs. But have you guys heard of Uberdoc? I just stumbled across it today and thought, I have to share this with you guys. Uberdoc is another speech synthesis website, but this one is a little different. The website is uberdoc.ai. It says here they have over 5,000 voices available. Wow, that's quite impressive. You may also clone your own voice, but what I found most interesting was this here: make music with AI voices. AI-generated raps. Sounds like a lot of fun. Let's give it a try. Okay, we need to select a beat. To be honest, I was checking these out earlier, so I already know which one I like best. And that's this badass jam right here. If you like it too, hit the like button. Now, here it says, create your lyrics. Tell us what your rap will be about, and AI will generate the lyrics for you. That's pretty cool. Or if you prefer, you can write your own lyrics. I wasn't a big fan of the lyrics it gave me, so I went ahead and had ChatGPT write some for me. Which is basically the same thing, but if you have Uberdoc write the lyrics, it only gives you 4 lines, but you can have up to 8 when you write your own. Here is where we choose a rapper. I feel it would be better if we could test and hear the different voices before we make our selection, but just pick one and you can go back and regenerate to hear the different options. Let's see the final result.
Yo, what's up my fans? I'm taking a moment to get thanks for watching my videos, letting me grow. You keep me going, keep me inspired. I couldn't do it without you. So here's a shout out just for you.
For full access to Uberdoc, sign up for
Say
our
what?
premium
Ain't
plan.
that some bullshit? Well, anyways, you guys get the idea. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one.